Hello everyone, welcome to Aman Babu tutorials, complete solution for your study. Today in this video, we are going to write and learn 10-line essay on our school. Number 1. Our school name is Delhi Public School. Number 2. It is a place where we learn, grow and have fun. Number 3. It has beautiful classrooms and a playground. Number 4. We have dedicated teachers who help us understand difficult subjects and encourage us to do our best. Number 5. The school organizes various events like sports, competition, science exhibition, etc. Number 6. We celebrate festivals and special days together. Number 7. Our school promotes discipline, respect and teamwork among students. Number 8. We have a library with many interesting books. Number 9. Our school is like a second home where we make lifelong friendships. Number 10. I am proud to be a part of such a wonderful and inspiring school. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.